A modest rally in the Bitcoin market paused on Tuesday as traders pitted the signs of economic recovery against the resurgence in COVID cases in the U.S. The BTC-USD exchange rate fell 1.16% to circa $9,234 as of 10:18 GMT shortly after the U.S. futures signaled a similar downside move. Futures linked to the S&P 500 plunged 0.91%, hinting that the benchmark index will open lower after the New York opening bell. The positive correlation between Bitcoin and the S&P 500 have grown higher in the last 3 months. Bitcoin's plunge also followed a substantial capital shift to competing blockchain projects. Traders moved into the so-called altcoins to seek short-term profits, causing Bitcoin's market dominance to decline by more than 1%. One of the altcoin tokens even surged by as much as 22% against Bitcoin on a 24-hour adjusted timeframe. Negative signals for Bitcoin also kept appearing from the mainstream market. Raphael Bostic, the president of the Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta, told FT in an interview that a resurgence in the COVID cases across the U.S. is dampening economic recovery. Late last week, the S&P 500 and its Wall Street peers rallied after the U.S. jobs data released for the second quarter showed a surge in employment numbers. Nevertheless, the report did not include June figures after the rise in COVID cases that led some states to impose lockdowns. The comments from the Fed prompted investment bank Jefferies to say that economic recovery may have flatlined alongside stocks. That left the S&P 500 rally facing red flags as it moves further into the third quarter. Likewise, Bitcoin merely followed the trend into negative territory. Lack of homogenous fundamentals now keeps Bitcoin prone to moves on Wall Street. That leaves traders with only technical indicators to guess the cryptocurrency's next directional bias. Bitcoin was trading near $9,242 at the time of this publication. Photo by Markus Spiske on Unsplash.